There are a couple other things I want to go over as far as setting up the software and talking about the settings. So once you place an order, it's going to pop up right here under your order blotter. Now, right now it's set up for all orders under this tab right here. That means everything that has been filled or placed an order and then canceled, it's all going to show up here. Now, right here under open orders, these are orders that you have placed but have not been filled yet. That's going to show up right there. Most of the time I'm clicked on this tab right here. This is going to show only orders that have been filled. Okay, so that you can see the positions you've placed. I don't care most of the time about orders that I've placed or canceled, but just orders that have actually gone through and been filled. So that's where you'd see them. Now, there's something else. There's something peculiar about my software is that positions right there. You notice all these others, it highlights, but it doesn't highlight on position blotter. For some reason, it's not coming up for me. You want to click on that and have it open. That's going to show you the positions that you're currently in and your P&L, your profits and losses for the day. So you'll want to have that open as well when you're trading. Okay. So that's something you need to know. Let's see, what else? Let me show you something more about the charts. So there's these three buttons right here. These are the different types of candles you can have. That's a bar chart, colored line. You can have a mountain if you want, but almost everybody uses the candles, so I recommend you use that. Okay, over here, this is valuable. The one most important thing you need to see is the volume underlay. What that is are these volume bars that come up below. That shows you how much volume happened for that candle. So this basically shows you when the stock moves, was it on heavy volume or not? If it shows heavy volume, that shows a lot of strength in the move. If a stock has light volume, for example, look at this. You've got this candle here. It went up on relatively heavy volume, highest candle volume bar of the day. It went up and it was pushed back down. So that shows a lot of strength with the sellers right there. And then when you see it opened here, came up to here and was pushed all the way down, can you see the little volume bar behind it? That's showing a lot of selling pressure right there. Look at that. You've got this bar and this bar. This bar went way up, but it was on relatively low volume compared to these two over here. So that shows you that this bar is suspect, this price move, and the sellers are probably still in control. They're just letting the buyers push up prices for them so that they can get better prices to sell it back down. And that's exactly what happened. So that is something to be aware of. Volume is very useful to see and to see what it's showing. Very valuable. There are other technical indicators that you can use. I don't actually use them. I don't look at them. I use them on daily charts, but not on intraday charts. But volume is the one I do use. Okay, next we've got this one. You put in your time zone here. So you click on that, and then I put in market hours versus 24 hours. Market hours only shows the hours that the market is open, plus I think it's an hour on either end. If you do 24 hours, that's going to show you everything that happened all overnight in the low volume trades overnight. You don't want to see that. It doesn't show much anyway. So go ahead and click on market hours. And really, that's all you need to know. It's all set up for you, unless you want to add some technical indicators. Now, let's see here. What else do I need to show you? Got the charts. Let me show you a little bit more about the level 2 screen. Now, we're going to talk more about how to place trades in a different video. But here, I just wanted to show you the time and sales right here. This right here is showing, let me get this out of the way just a little bit. This is showing three very important things. This is showing you trades that have occurred, including the price it occurred at, how many shares changed hands, and who placed the trade, which market maker or exchange it came from. That could be really valuable information. So we're going to watch this. Sometimes the bid and the ask, it can be anywhere it is, but that doesn't mean it's going to, the shares are going to change hands at that price. For example, you just saw right here, it went up to 77 cents. There it is. Okay, now it's actually trading, but for a minute, it wasn't trading there. It was all on the bid. Okay, all the trades were going off on the bid. That's useful information. We're going to dive a lot deeper into that in just a minute in a different video, but just be aware of that. Okay, so go ahead and take the quiz now and move on to the next lesson.